Tuesday, April 1st, 2025. Netflix's ad plan turned out better than I thought. Started watching a Japanese dating show called Offline Love, but can't beat Terrace House. Hit up a burger spot during peak time and waited half an hour. Wednesday, April 2nd, 2025. The dentist said I'm good to eat anything now. So I grabbed some barbecue pork ribs. My friend came by and picked up the PS5 they lent me. Thursday, April 3rd, 2025. Messed up the kimbap again, so I just went with a triangle one. Got in bed early but still couldn't sleep for hours. Need to get up early tomorrow to catch the impeachment trial. Friday, the 4th of April, 2025. The grocery app I was using suddenly got weird. I couldn't get any eggs, so I'll be egg-free for a few days. I took a long nap because I felt dizzy, but I ended up feeling even dizzier. Saturday, April 5th, 2025. My siblings' family got into a car accident after sliding on a wet road. The cars totaled, but luckily no one was hurt. I kept putting off making dinner because I had to wash the dishes first. Sunday, the 6th of April, 2025. I've been all in on Japanese lately, so journaling totally slipped my mind. I went through another set of old N4 questions and got around 70% this time. Reading the Bible, I realized how patriarchal Paul sounds in 1 Corinthians. Monday, the 7th of April, 2025. I teased my friend for quitting jogging after just 3 days. Waited forever to upload a 30-hour video to, but failed. Mom is in shock because her friend passed away from a heart attack. Tuesday, the 8th of April, 2025. I binged Japanese lessons on YouTube like it was a Netflix series. Now I get most of the N4 listening right, but reading still messes with me. I've been totally slacking on journaling and getting outside. Wednesday, April 9th, 2025. Mom said she wants a funeral without a wake. I said I'd want the same, and she got mad. My throat felt scratchy, so I had seaweed jlpt. Thursday, April 10th, 2025. I still miss Terrace House, but I actually enjoyed Offline Love too. My mom sent me some free CDs. I sold a bit of my Tesla shares. Friday, the 11th of April, 2025. Booked a new art museum opening in Naoshima. Found a nice shabu-shabu place in the neighborhood. Took in the cherry blossoms just before they faded. Saturday, the 12th of April, 2025. I found a Japanese channel that posts daily Korean journals similar to this one. That travel show, Travels, Chatter and Troubles is the most fun lately. My mom's freesias arrived, so I put them in a vase. Sunday, the 13th of April 2025. I got tteokbokki for 4,001 with a delivery app coupon again. My friend was struggling for hours trying to match their expense tracker with each card payment. So I made a numbers table that automatically compares the entries one by one. Monday, the 14th of April 2025. I'm so over everyone doing Ghibli style AI art. It shows it can do way more, but no one bothers to be creative. I kept putting off returning that Daiso thing and ended up missing the deadline. Tuesday, the 15th of April 2025. I liked a few cloudy days, but now it's sunny again. My car battery died earlier than I expected. Maybe I need a reason to drive. Wednesday, April 16th, 2025. Mine for accuracy rate hit 89%. Guess it's time to move on to N3. I stayed up watching interviews with the presidential candidates. Mom's Croatia trip is finally confirmed. Thursday, April 17th, 2025. I'm thinking about signing up for the jlpt this time. To pick a level before the deadline, I've been doing nothing but pass questions. I ordered an Apple Watch strap with a transit card in it. Friday, the 18th of April 2025. I tried an N3 pass exam and got about the same reading and listening scores as in 4. Kanji actually makes things easier to understand than just hiragana. Vocab and grammar, though, are still a disaster. Saturday, the 19th of April 2025. Tried a rude version of ChatGPT called Monday, but mine's still polite. Maybe I trained it too hard. Some people don't even know what Monday is and say AI became scary. A friend got me a diffuser from Kyobo. Sunday, April 20th, 2025. I just signed up for N2 since I still have 8 days to cancel. Watching the presidential debates, the less popular candidates sounded more convincing for some reason. It feels like how much you read doesn't always affect how well you think. Monday, April 21st, 2025. It's April, and I already want to turn on the AC. I've got 8 days to cram and see if N2's even doable. The diffuser from my friend is way stronger than I thought. Tuesday, the 22nd of April 2025. I'm doing one pass N3 exam each day. If I get over 80% twice, thinking of moving on to N2. Looks like my journal's gonna fall behind for a while. Wednesday, April 23rd, 2025. My N3 scores aren't improving. I'm just eating mandu and udon to skip cooking. Sold Tesla for profit, but the exchange rate ate it. Thursday, April 24th, 2025. My N3 score went up a bit, but I'll wait and see. I just learned you're not supposed to wash eggs. Glad to hear that now I don't have to do it anymore. Friday, April 25th, 2025. My N3 scores dropped back down. The primary debate inside the party is way too fun. Maybe because they know each other's weak spots, they hit harder. Saturday, April 26, 2025. My N3 score still not moving. Might need to cancel N2 if this keeps up. Since I don't have much time, I'll just try an N2 pass exam tomorrow. Sunday, the 27th of April 2025. Tried an N2 pass exam and barely hit the cutoff. Doing another might help, but it's kinda torture when it's beyond my level. Still got 2 months, so I might just go for it. Monday, April 28th, 2025. I decided to go for N2 since today's the last day to cancel. Used the Curly membership coupon, then canceled right after. Got a lounge card for my Japan trip. Tuesday, April 29th, 2025. My friend asked if I wanted to go to Everland since it's been a while. The candidate I had in mind didn't make it through the primary. I really don't know who to vote for. Wednesday, April 30th, 2025. I'm getting nowhere with jlpt studying. Can't cancel the test now, and the stress is piling up. Kinda wish I'd signed up for N1 for the next exam instead.